have a recipe?
Yeah, it's actually a green smoothie recipe. So this is a great way to get a whole lot of fiber and antioxidants into your body all at once. So we've got, we have water, of course, and filtered water. We have cucumber and celery, which together actually make complete protein. A lot of people don't know that. It's super cool to us that two plants can make a complete protein. So cucumber, celery, then we have some spinach, cilantro, parsley, and lemon. And then we have ginger and turmeric because they're very anti-inflammatory as well.
That's right.
So it works best in a high-powered blender. If you don't have a high-powered blender, I would suggest not putting the stems in. So picking off the cilantro and the parsley leaves and putting them in, or powdered parsley, powdered cilantro, because we found with that they didn't blend up so well in our other
with
blender.
a low-quality blender.
With our, yeah.
And you can also put a hint of cayenne pepper in there.
Ooh, yeah.
To spice it up. It's also cleansing, also increase your metabolism as well. So there's tons and tons of nutrients in the green smoothies, which is why we have one every morning.
Every day.
And you'll also notice that you'll get a energy boost because of all the phytonutrients filling up your cells.
Funny story quickly. So I bring my green smoothie when I was working at school. I would bring it to school, and most people are walking around with coffee, right? And I have my green smoothie. I get so many stares and looks. And this one time someone was staring at my green smoothie, and I said, "This is my energy boost in the morning," right? But it's kind of funny. It's definitely a big transition. From coffee, because I was a coffee addict at one time.